In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry textures in Roblox Mobile. So the first thing I want you guys to do is I want you to open up the Roblox settings. Please load into your game, then press on the Roblox logo on the top left. Then afterwards, you want to go ahead and select on settings. From here, please go ahead and scroll down until you see graphics mode. So by default, it is going to be set to automatic. So what you want to do is you actually want to set it to manual. And then from here, you're able to increase the graphics quality. And basically, the higher your graphics quality is, the chances are that the blurry textures are no longer going to be there. So that is definitely something that you're able to try. Another thing that I recommend that you guys do is make sure you have a stable internet connection. See, the thing is, whenever Wi-Fi gets a little bit like weird or isn't properly working, then the textures are not going to load in. So Roblox does require a strong internet connection. So double check that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. And what could be happening is you could be connected to mobile data, and that's not always the best. So please always verify that you actually are over here on Wi-Fi playing. Also, please make sure you have the most recent and up-to-date version of Roblox. Some previous versions of Roblox have been found to have this glitch, so I always recommend that you have the latest and up-to-date version of Roblox. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.